Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about Havel-Hakim theorem or Havel-Hakim algorithm. So before going to discuss about Havel-Hakim algorithm, we are going to study what is degree sequence of G. So we are going to discuss what is degree sequence of G. If a degree of a vertices of a graph G are listed in a sequence. So, for example, if this is our graph G, I'll consider a graph G. This is our graph G. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, V7, V8, V9. So, what is the degree of vertex V1? 0. Degree of vertex V1 is 0. Degree of vertex V2 is 1. V3 is 1. Degree of vertex V4 is 2. Degree of vertex V5 is 2. V6 is 3. V7 is 1. V8 is 2. V9 is 2. So, this is degree of the vertex listed in a sequence. Yes. So, when we list the degrees of the vertices of a graph G in a sequence, this we call it as degree sequence of G. This S is known as degree sequence of G. S is a sequence. It is a sequence. Therefore, it is denoted by S. So, the sequence S is known as a degree sequence of G if the degree of the vertices of a graph are listed in a sequence. We call it as degree sequence of G. A finite sequence. This is having finite number of elements. A finite sequence of non-zero integer. Here we are having 0. If we have finite sequence of a finite sequence of non-negative integer, because degree will not be negative, right? A finite sequence of non-negative integer is called graphical if it is a degree sequence of some graph. This is degree sequence of a graph. It is known as graphical. This is known as graphical. Whenever we list degree of the vertices in a sequence, then we call it as graphical. Now we are going to study what is Havel-Hakim algorithm. So, it should be a non-increasing sequence. So, it should be in decreasing order. A non-increasing sequence of non-negative integer. We are having non-increasing sequence d1, d2, etc. dn. N should be greater than or equal to 2. Degree 1, degree of first vertex, second vertex, etc. It should be greater than or equal to 2. If we have only one vertex, degree will be 0. We will not get d2, d3, etc. So, n should be greater than or equal to 2 of non-negative integers. These all are non-negative integers where d1 means very first degree. 1 should be greater than or equal to 1 is graphical. This sequence we call it as graphical if and only if d2 minus 1. We started from second degree. d2 minus 1, d3 minus 1, etc. d of d1 plus 1. d1 means first vertex. First degree. d1 plus 1 minus 1. d of d1 plus 2 From here we are not going to decrease. D of D1 plus 3 etc. Dn. If this sequence is graphical, then this sequence is also graphical. According to Havel-Hakim algorithm, a non-increasing sequence S of non-negative integer is graphical if and only if d2 minus 1, d3 minus 1, etc. d of d1 plus 1 minus 1, comma d of d1 plus 2, comma d of d1 plus 3, etc. dn is graphical. If this is graphical, then this is also graphical. For example, we'll consider an example. We are having a sequence as 5, 4, 3, 3. So it is in decreasing order. So this is non-increasing sequence. What is the value of D1? D1 is 5. D1 is 5. So what is our formula? D2 minus 1. D2 means 4. Fine. D2 minus 1, D3 minus 1, etc. So this is D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9. What is D plus 1? D1 plus 1 is 6. So here till D of D1 plus 1 minus 1 we are having. So what is D1 plus 1? 6. So what is D6? 2. Till here we have to subtract. Later that we should not subtract. So what is this sequence? After applying Havel-Hakim algorithm, we'll get it starts from D2 minus 1, D3 minus 1, right? So I'll write again better. D2 minus 1, D3 minus 1, D4 minus 1, D5 minus 1, D6 minus 1. D6 is our D of D1 plus 1. Next one is D7 and D8, D9. This is our sequence. D2 minus 1 means 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. We have to write this as it is. After applying Havel-Hakim algorithm, we get this sequence. This should be in increasing order. If it is not in the, this should be in decreasing order. If it is not in the decreasing order, arrange it in a form. So first degree is our D1. So D1 is equal to 5. D1 plus 1 is 6. So D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6. Till D6 we should subtract. After that we should not subtract. That is our sequence, right? So D2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2, 1, 1. This is our sequence. Now we are going to arrange this in a order. 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now D1 is 3 now. This is our next sequence. D1 is 3 now. So D1 plus 1 is 4. So this is D1, D2, D3, D4. Till here we have to subtract. Later that we should not subtract. So our sequence starts from 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Here we will stop because n should be greater than or equal to 2. Here it is having 1. Here we does not contain any non-negative integer. Therefore, this sequence is graphical. So according to Hakim algorithm, this sequence is also graphical. We'll consider another example. So, very first thing is we should write this sequence in non-increasing order. It means decreasing order. So, 7, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is our sequence now. D1 is 7. So, what is D1 plus 1? 8. So, this is D1, D2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, till here we have to decrease or subtract. So, from here we have to start. 7 minus 1, 6. 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So, when we apply theorem again, D1 is 6. So, D1 plus 1 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Till here we have to apply. When we apply here, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1. Here we are getting negative. Therefore, this sequence is not graphical because we are having non-negative integer. Whenever we are having non-negative integer, we should not consider it as a graphical. It is non-graphical.